everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get group policy editor on Windows 11 computer. Now just I am going to show my screen whether I am having gpedit policy or not. Just right click on the start button and there is an option run command. Just click on the run command and just type gpedit.msc and hit enter button. Here you can able to see in my Windows I am not having gpedit policy. Now I am going to show you how to enable gpedit policy on Windows 11 computer. Now just close this. Now just click on the start icon and in search just type cmd. At end of the result you can able to see the command prompt and you run as administrator. Now just copy the link in description of this video and paste in command prompt at once. It will take some time. Just wait to get the process to get complete. At end just type exit and hit enter button. Now let me check whether gpedit policy got enabled in my laptop. Just right click on the start button and give run command and type gpedit.msc and hit enter button. Yes, I got group policy editor without any downloading your file. By just pasting a simple command on command prompt, you can able to get the local group policy editor on your Windows laptop. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you on next video. Bye bye. Take care.